Okay, hello po mga ka-numero, especially sa mga grade 7 natin dyan. So, division of monomial na tayo. So, nung nakaraan, we have the multiplication of monomials. So, na-discuss natin yung tatlong law of exponents. So, ngayon naman, division of monomials, gagamit tayo ng pang-apat at pang-limang law of exponents. So, una, pang-apat, pag nagdi-divide daw ng basta may same base, automatically, pwede nating i-minus ang exponent. So, yun yung fourth law. And fifth law, and then the same sa multiplication, kaya lang, division to, so pwede natin daw i-distribute din. So, example. So, halimbawa, meron tayong x raised to 10 over x raised to 4. So, automatically, this is division, so we can subtract the exponent. So, 10 divided by 4, so that is, 10 divided by 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, so wala tayong madidivide kasi 1 lang naman nandito. Another example, we have 12x raised to 7 over 4x squared. So, etong numerical, i-divide natin. So, we will have 12 over 4, which is 3. And then, i-subtract natin. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Kaya magiging 3x raised to 5. Pero may mga pagkakataon, yung binibigay is, halimbawa, 8ab squared over, halimbawa, 12. And then, sabihin natin a. And then, sabihin natin b. Okay? So, pag 8 divided by 12, hindi siya madidivide. So, pag hindi madidivide, ila-lowest term lang natin. So, the lowest term, so divisible ang 8 and 12 sa 4. So, this will become 2. This will become 3. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 2 sa taas at meron tayong 3 sa baba. Okay? And then, a, 1 minus 1, so that is 0. So, parang maka-cancelled out yan. Kasi, that is equivalent to 1. Actually, that is the sixth law. Pag a raised to 0 daw, any number raised to 0, the answer is always 1. And then, 2 minus 1 naman, so wala na yung a kasi 0 na exponent, that is 1. Dito, 2 minus 1, so meron pang isa. So, raised to 1, which is b. So, the answer will be 2b over 3. So, yun lang po ang tatandaan. Pag pwedeng ma-cancel, i-cancel. And then, just in case, paano pag ganito? b cubed over b raised to 5. So actually, pag minus natin, 3 minus 5, that is b raised to negative 2 pag 3 minus 5. Kaya lang, pag negative exponent daw, pwede pa yan i-change into positive exponent. So ibababa lang natin sa 1 over b squared para maging positive. Because that is the seventh law. Pag may negative exponent daw, that is automatically 1 over a raised to n. So yan po sa division of monomial.